Yeah.
Okay, pour in the oil. You don't have to use a lot, but I'm gonna use a lot. So you got water in the bottle, then you're gonna pour in some oil. I'm using baby oil. Yeah, I don't have food coloring, so I'm gonna use paint. Just a little bit. So then you're gonna shake it, 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 shake it. Some baking powder. Hold on, you're not gonna pour all of it in. You're just gonna put in a tablespoon. Hold, nah. Wait. So you're gonna put a tablespoon in. Okay, that's a really big tablespoon, but it's okay, it doesn't matter. And we're gonna mix it with a tablespoon of water. When you mix it, it's gonna be fizzing up like this. You've poured in the baking soda and the water. And then you're gonna put in a tiny bit of vinegar. So it's gonna be a 1/4 cup of vinegar. I don't know if you can see, but I have about a 1/4. Hold on, wait. Okay, so I'm gonna pour it in. Okay, and then the last thing I'm gonna do is put glitter in. So wait a minute for us. Which one you want to choose? Choose one. Yeah. All right. Choose one. Which one you want to use? Choose which color you want. Purple. Okay. Good. Pour the glitter in. You can put as much or as little as you want. Ooh, pretty. Okay. So now you're just gonna shake up the bottle, and hopefully you'll see it do some crazy stuff. And you might also not see it do any crazy stuff, but maybe yours will be better than mine. Mine just looks like a drink. Anyway, these are nice for kids to shake on. See? The pretty colors and stuff like that. So the next one that we're going to try is just water, oil and glitter. So hopefully I won't have to stop the camera. So let's pour in the water. Whoopsie daisy, that should not have happened. Okay, and pour in the oil. I'm using baby oil because that's what I have. Pour in the baby oil. And you can even do it without any oil at all. It's up to you. You don't have to use oil at all. So yeah, we've chosen this brownie glitter. So we're going to pour that into the mixture and then fill up the bottle with a bit more water. Okay, so you're pouring the glitter. Then you end up shaking it up, and then hopefully, I don't know if you can see the glitter very well, but it's a really nice calming bottle, make you feel really relaxed and everything. And you might learn something about oil and water at the same time. Anyway, I hope that was fun. Let me know how your creations go, and speak soon. Bye. Yeah, so hope you enjoy it, and make sure that you seal off the top. So this, you should not be able to open it. So if you can use the hot glue gun, Kamara has it, so if you can use that, that'll be very helpful for you guys. This is the pink one that we made earlier. If I was to make this better, I would not use as much paint or food coloring because it's harder to see, but the glitter, but it's actually nice. Even though it's not how I expected it to turn out, it's actually really nice and really calming. yeah, remember that you need to make sure that this is sealed, so use the hot glue gun to seal it off so nobody can open it, especially little babies and little tiny kids. I also forgot to mention that you can put like these little elastic bands in there. They float really nicely within the mixture, so let me show you what I mean. So they spin really fast. So it depends how many you put inside. You can put lots in or a little bit, but yeah, it looks really cool. Yeah, so I hope you have fun. There's so many things that you can do. Just make sure that you're safe and that you seal up the top of the lid. All right, take care.